I'm Indresh and I'm currently studying architecture.
One of the coolest part is that we work on amazing projects that bring our ideas to real life. Right now, we are working on documenting a village called Konapattu, known for its ancient Chettinad architecture. Our class is divided into teams focusing on different aspects like housing, service, and socio-economic factors. We all collaborate together to get a complete picture of the village. This kind of fieldwork is where I have learned most way beyond textbooks. Our mentors here guide us through every step, whether we are drafting, designing, building models, or redoing our works until it's perfect. We even get our works reviewed by experts from top institutes like SAP and SAIB, which is both challenging and exciting. We get to see real-world projects and meet professionals, which is a super inspiring and great for networking. We learn, we practice, we do, we redo, and we complete. It's all about striving for perfection and creativity, and I'm happy being a part of this community.